Hello everyone, we are Team LecIN and this is our Sprint One review presentation over the past sprint. We worked on establishing the core structure of our LecIN attendance application. In this presentation, we will walk you through our sprint goal, the features we did, our burn-down chart, what we have delivered, challenges we faced, and what we are planning to improve moving forward.
Our Sprint One goal was to implement the foundational features of LecIN. This included login support, attendance tracking, manual updates, and CSV exports. Our definition of done ensured that our code compiled and was bug-free. The features were unit tested and peer tested. The user interface and backend integration was tested.
For Sprint 1, our goal was to deliver a working base of the LecIN platform. We forecasted user stories that focused on login for different roles, viewing attendance, allowing teachers to mark attendance, and enabling admins to export data. All of these support our goals of having core functionality across student, teacher, and admin roles. While we started late, we still managed to complete most of what we committed to and kept our focus aligned with the goal throughout the sprint.
At the start of Sprint 1, our backlog contained 10 user stories. By the end, we completed 8 and had 2 still in progress. Similar to what the burn-down chart shows, our early progress was slower as we set things up, but after week 3, we really picked up pace. The improvement came from clearer planning and better collaboration within the team.
Hi, this is Weizun, here to talk about the deliverables completed in Sprint 1. Let's have a look at the app. So for now, we have done a cross-platform UI for both Windows and Android. Where's the Android? This is Android running in the simulator. The UI is not perfectly responsive for now, but easy to debug. We will fix that later. And let us focus on the Windows and UI to find some more features. We have designed a role-based login system for different user types. For example, if you log in as a student account, you will get your student dashboard and you have your student features. And if you are an admin, you certainly got the admin dashboard. And if you are a teacher, you will have your teacher dashboard. And for the showcase, we will be using a sample user, which makes sense. Someone can be both a teacher and a student, or can be a admin and the teacher at the same time. You have multiple roles, you will have multiple dashboards. Teachers can view their classes and student lists. As a teacher, you can view the course you've been teaching and you can manage them. And you can see the student list down here. And as the admin, sometimes you would like to export the attendance as a CSV file. Here you can see. I can export to the download. I click save. Now I can go find them here. And and teachers can manually mark attendance. Go back to teacher. For this class, Apparently I need to have their student ID. It's not here, but we may find it from the database. Okay, we successfully justified the student James Miller as no reason. Not for now. Students can view their overall attendance data and history. As a student, you want to have a look at the previous attendance, and maybe you want to have a look at the strikes. And all of those, where am I? And all of those works the same in the Android app as well. The UI is not perfectly responsive, as I said, but the features are there. Thank you.
Our burndown chart reflects a late start. We spent the first part of the sprint setting up environments and finalizing planning. From week 3 onwards, we made a strong push. Most of our progress happened mid to late sprint. The steep drop in the final third reflects our focus to get stories done before the deadline. Next sprint, our main goal is to work more steadily across all weeks.
Here's how we approach development. We divided user stories among team members, created individual branches per feature, and pull requests were peer-reviewed before merging. We used Supabase and mgu-cv package on the backend, and Maui on the front end. Testing was conducted by Hunter and verified through code owners, and the communication for these was primarily happening through Discord, through general meetings and stand-ups.
One big challenge was that we didn't start development early enough, which meant most of the work was done in the last 2 weeks. We also ran into technical issues like hitting our AsureFace API limit, and we had merge conflicts on GitHub early on. The main lesson was that better planning and earlier collaboration would have helped. We are updating our team contract and workflow to avoid delays and improve teamwork handling in Sprint 2.
Looking ahead to Sprint 2, our main focus is on improving how we plan and track our work. We'll start sprint planning earlier and refine the backlog before kickoff. We'll use GitHub projects to give us a clearer visual of progress and make sure any issues slowing us down are shared quickly. Finally, we'll stick closely to our branching and merging strategy so tasks integrate more smoothly. These changes should help us keep a steady pace throughout the sprint.
That concludes our Sprint 1 review. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your feedback and aim to build on this foundation in Sprint 2. Please find our burndown chart, screenshots, and source code linked in our Trello board under documentation. Thank you.